Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how simple trading can be, guys. This is a 4-hour chart here, okay? The 4-hour chart. And last week, so GBP CHF, I was seeing the Swiss franc gaining value, but the British pound was losing strength, okay? And so we have a way of measuring that using the CT value board, guys. This is a simple technique. As long as you can tell which a line pointing upward from a line that is pointing downward, guys, you can make money with this. So I can say this, guys, a 5-year-old can make money using this strategy. When I open up my chart, what I'm looking at first of all is the CTI value board right here. I'm not looking at the charts. I'm looking at the CTI value board. I'm finding out what is gaining strength so that I can pair that against what is losing strength. So once I find what is gaining strength, I want to also find what is losing strength so that I can pair them together, because once you have those two together, guys, bang, you have the best currency pair that you should trade. I want you to see this trend. Can you see the trend, guys? This is when you capture the trending phase of the market maker cycle. Listen, guys, when you trade in the market maker cycle, the best point that you want to trade is the trending phase. But how do you know where the best trending phase is going to occur? How do you know the trending phase has even emerged? And how do you know when the trend is going to be strongest? This is it right here. Okay? When you have the two currency diverging in value, that is where you're going to make money, guys. This is a simple strategy, but it is a strategy that is very true to the market design, to the operations of the market. This is the currencies. And so like I said in the previous video, guys, you can't trade this you can't trade synthetic indices with this strategy because you cannot measure value using the synthetic indices. But who cares? Any money is money. Any money, guys, is money. My theory all the time is this, guys. I want to keep it true and keep it simple. That is what I've developed along the way, guys. So for those of you who have come forward to show interest in this, guys, well, that's great. That's great. It only takes a clear understanding, guys, how these things work. You just want to simply pair the strongest against the weakest, guys, and that gives you the best currency that you should be trading. So guys, if you want your trading to be easy, I'd say this CTI mini value flow system is going to help you. But I want you to understand that you can only trade the currency pairs with it. 27 currency pairs mainly. It should be 28, but I actually removed one because both of them trend in the same direction. The currencies that make up that pair trend in the same direction. So it is 27 currency pairs that you can take advantage of every week. And one more thing, let me say one more thing, guys. I'm gonna be giving a 100% money back guarantee um, on this offer. Okay, so you never hear any mentor, any forex coach talk like that. If this doesn't work, guys, if after 90 days this doesn't work, you get your money back. That's it, straight up. Right, straight up, guys. So enough said, guys. Enough said. I've taken the risk off of you, and if you still have excuses for not making money after I've taken down this offer, then um you can't blame anybody for it. So that's it, guys. Cheers and God bless you. This is the Complete Trader for your success, guys. Bye bye.